Craving a break from the monotony of your 9-to-5 job? Desiring to transform your social media presence into a source of passive income? We present to you Socially Rich, a game-changing platform that harnesses the power of social influence to spawn tangible profits. Take a moment and think back to the viral food challenge you enthusiastically took part in last month. Now imagine receiving a paycheck for creating such a buzz. That's what Socially Rich is all about. This innovative platform bridges the gap between you and brands seeking genuine promotion. You craft engaging content, spotlight their products, and the views and interactions your content garners translate into your earnings. But don't be fooled into thinking that only big influencers can make it big on Socially Rich. Quite the contrary. Micro-influencers with devoted followers are making a killing on this platform. No need for intricate marketing strategies. Simply be the authentic you, create the engaging content that you do best, and watch the rewards flow in. Socially Rich gives you multiple avenues to earn. Per-view commissions. Every view on your content equates to a small fee in your pocket. Engagement boost. Extra bonuses are up for grabs based on the number of likes, comments, and shares your content receives. Affiliate marketing. Promote products directly and earn a commission on every sale made. At Socially Rich, transparency and security are paramount. The platform provides a clear breakdown of your earnings and a secure environment for transactions. Plus, they offer comprehensive tutorials and support to ensure you succeed on your journey. So are you ready to transform your social media influence into real income? Don't hesitate. Register on Socially Rich today using the link provided. The sooner you start creating, the sooner you start earning. Remember, with Socially Rich, becoming socially rich isn't a dream, it's a reality. So what sets Socially Rich apart? The platform emphasizes social media influence and content creation, not cryptocurrency. It underscores the potential for micro-influencers. It presents multiple earning methods. It prioritizes transparency and security. And most importantly, it uses language that's positive and compels you to take action. So, why wait? Dive in and start your Socially Rich journey today.